Good morning, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a perspective text in Photoshop. What you see on the screen is going to be our end result. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be adding the text layer, and what Photoshop calls this, it's going to be put in perspective. So it's going to be so instead of it falling flat on your image, we're going to follow the contour of this slant or this angle of this wall on here. So let's go to a new document. We're just going to add a text layer and type whatever text that you want with whatever color that you want. You can press enter or click on this check mark up here in the options bar to accept the changes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a selection of this text. And in order to do that, we're going to go over to this text layer and we're going to select it in the layers panel. And we're going to hover over the thumbnail of the text layer and control click on a PC to make a selection of this text. Now, a shortcut key to copy that selection is Control C, or you can go up to the edit menu and select copy, Control C. Now what we want to do is we want to deselect this selection. Control D is a shortcut key on the PC to deselect it. Now we're going to delete this layer. So all you have to do is just highlight the layer in the layers panel and click on the delete button is one way that you could do it. And now we're going to go up to filter and we're going to select vanishing, or well actually we're going to create a new layer first, and then we're going to go up to filter and then vanishing point. We're going to select, and it opens up a new window basically. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw like a pane. So we're going to come over here in the tools area and it says create plane tool. So we're going to select that. And now all you have to do is just draw your anchor points. So basically click on your first area. And then it's going to connect a line basically. We're going to continue doing that until we get to 4 points basically, and we're going to do that. Now all you have to do is just move your arrow over to a part of the image, and we're going to press Control V because we copied the text previously. Now you could use the transform tool, or over here you could select that and now resize it to whatever you want, and then click and drag it inside of this plane that we see here. And with the transform tool still selected, we're going to adjust it to fit inside of this plane that we just did. Again, adjust it to whatever size that you want by dragging these anchor points. And then all you have to do is come over here, upper right hand corner, and click the OK button. And it puts that on your image. Now what you could do is add a little effects to it. Double click on this layer and select, we're going to add a stroke and a drop shadow. Here's your stroke, and it automatically selects your previous settings, so you could adjust this however that you want to. And now let's add a drop shadow. Again, it brings up your previous settings, so you can adjust the size by coming over here. A quick tip, if you don't know this already, to adjust this distance, as you can see, all you have to do is come over here to your layer that you're adding the drop shadow to and click and drag, and it drags and it adjusts your distance for you like that. And then again, play around with these adjustments and then click OK. And that is how you can add perspective text to your Photoshop document. Hopefully you got some new tools that you can work with today, and it'll help you with future projects. Again, if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button and always hit that bell notification so you always get updated when a new video is uploaded. Again, please like, share, and comment. It helps me, it helps you, and it also helps the community out by interacting with these videos. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.